You think you're choosing, but the choice was made long before you walked in. Stand in any grocery aisle and it looks like freedom. Rows of brands, colors, prices, promises. But behind those labels, most of it belongs to the same handful of corporations. PepsiCo owns Quaker Oats, Gatorade, Frito-Lay, Tropicana. Nestlé controls everything from coffee to candy to pet food. And the investors behind them, like BlackRock and Vanguard, they hold stakes in almost all of them. So when you think you're choosing between competitors, you're really just deciding which branch of the same tree gets paid. That's not competition, that's consolidation. Just 10 corporations control more than 400 of the world's most recognizable consumer brands. The average supermarket stocks 30,000 products. Nearly 80% come from those same 10 parent companies. More labels, fewer owners. That's not variety. That's vertical integration wearing different clothes. In the 1980s, America had thousands of independent companies across every major industry. Today, most of what we buy, watch, or read is controlled by fewer than a dozen parent corporations. From television networks, newspapers, music labels, and even grocery chains, all absorbed into the same networks of ownership. Antitrust laws were meant to stop this, to keep markets fair and competition alive. But decades of deregulation and lobbying turned watchdogs into spectators. We were told it would make things efficient. Fewer companies, smoother operations, cheaper goods. But efficiency came with a cost. Power concentrated, choice diluted. As the number of options on the shelf went up, the number of owners went down. That's the illusion. The system still rewards growth, not diversity. Every merger, every acquisition, every strategic partnership, it tightens the circle. And it doesn't stop at groceries. The same corporate web shapes what you watch, read, listen to, and even how you pay for it. They call it efficiency, but what it really does is decide what you see, what you buy, and what choices never even reach you. You think you're voting with your wallet, but it's their ballot you're using. The free market works best when it's actually free, but freedom fades when everything funnels through the same hands. So next time you walk down that aisle, remember, choice isn't measured by how many logos you see, but by how many voices still exist behind them. That's the illusion of choice. And that's good enough news for today. See you next time.